Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of a future where money isn't a constant source of stress? What if I told you there's a simple, repeatable pattern that anyone can follow to achieve financial freedom? Now, financial freedom might sound like something only the super rich can attain, but trust me, it's more accessible than you think. It's about having enough money coming in from your investments and passive income streams to cover your living expenses, giving you choices and control over your life. And today, we're breaking down the core steps to get you there. So buckle up, grab a pen and paper, or your favorite note-taking app, because this is the roadmap to your financial independence. Step number 1, master your finances. Think of this as building the strong foundation for your financial house. You can't build anything lasting on shaky ground. First, set crystal clear financial goals. What does financial freedom actually look like for you? Is it retiring early, traveling the world, starting your own business without the pressure of immediate income? Write it down. The more specific your goals, the more motivated you'll be. Next, create a budget that actually works. Now, I know the word budget can sound scary, but it's simply telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. There are tons of easy-to-use apps and templates out there. The key is to track your income and your expenses. Where's your money going each month? Understanding this is the first step to taking control. A simple starting point is the 50-30-20 rule. Aim to spend roughly 50% on your needs, like rent and groceries, 30% on your wants, like entertainment and dining out, and dedicate a solid 20% to savings and paying off debt. Finally, attack that high-interest debt. Think of high-interest debt like a leaky faucet constantly draining your money. Credit card debt, personal loans with high rates. These are the ones to tackle first. Make a plan to pay them down aggressively. Every dollar you save on interest is a dollar you can put towards your financial freedom. Step number 2, build your financial safety net. Life happens. Unexpected bills pop up, cars break down, and sometimes life throws you a curveball. That's where your emergency fund comes in. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This is your financial cushion. Imagine losing your job tomorrow. How long could you comfortably cover your essential bills? That's the peace of mind your emergency fund provides. Keep this money in an easily accessible savings account, not invested, just safe and sound for those just-in-case moments. Trust me, this one step can save you from going into more debt when the unexpected occurs. Step number 3, grow your income and automate your savings. Now that you've got your foundation and your safety net, it's time to accelerate your journey. Look for opportunities to increase your income. Can you ask for a raise at work? Explore freelancing opportunities in your spare time. Maybe turn a hobby into a side hustle. The more money you bring in, the faster you can reach your financial goals. Make saving automatic. This is where the magic truly begins. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings and investment accounts every payday. Treat your future self like a bill you absolutely have to pay. Even a small amount consistently saved adds up over time. Automation takes the emotion and the decision-making out of saving, making it a reliable habit. Step number 4, invest for your future. This is how you make your money work for you. Investing allows your money to grow exponentially over time thanks to the power of compounding, earning returns on your initial investment and on the returns you've already earned. Start investing early, even with small amounts. You don't need to be a Wall Street guru or have a ton of money to start investing. Thanks to modern platforms, you can begin with just a few dollars. The key is consistency. Think long-term. Keep it simple and diversify. For most people, a great starting point is to invest in low-cost, diversified index funds. These funds hold a little bit of many different companies, which helps to reduce risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Educate yourself along the way. You don't need to become an expert overnight, but make a continuous effort to learn about personal finance and investing. There are countless books, podcasts, and, of course, YouTube channels like this one to help you on your journey. And there you have it. The general pattern for achieving financial freedom isn't some secret formula reserved for the elite. It's a series of straightforward steps that anyone can implement. Master your finances, build your safety net, grow your income, and automate savings, and invest for the future. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. There will be ups and downs, but by staying consistent and focusing on these core principles, you'll be well on your way to gaining control over your financial life and unlocking a future filled with more choices and less stress. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit from this information. What are your biggest financial goals? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips and strategies on building a brighter financial future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.